on the sounds like I'm from the black side, yes, the other black side. Where the facts lie only in the past times. Couple bad guys, couple niggas baptized. Couple niggas driving with some black ties. Local politics, I'm ready not to be involved. Thank you. Let's talk about that, the other possibility. I might even be cousins, married in a hoe. Our ancestors could have been twin brothers, so we need each other. Like Serena needs Venus, or like Serafina is a leader, like Madiba, or like Peter needed Jesus. We need Jigga and Shako. Cause over here, over here, niggas take the Bible door to door and they preach. But prophets are embarrassing the Lord with a speech. If their man has managed to restore word peace, but wangu when your standards are in court, there's a breach. When advantage has been forced, there's a reach. Problematic when your manager's a hoe or a thief. Now I've got these niggas on a rope or a leash. I can't trust you cause I don't know what you told the police. I've been following the code with the G's. Trying to conquer me with trolls, wangu ish. I'm with the whole set, baking all that bread. We're gonna break it and we're all gonna eat. I told Isco that I hope we buy a plane and make sure that Tawada didn't die in vain. 2 Peter 2 verse 1. Be careful of the wolves, it go church pop. Be careful. And when they trolling, I pray, then I link up Nana Collins. Yeah, all my niggas made a promise. We honest, we focused. It's crazy how the scenario changed. A year later, I'm that nigga not out of your range. A year back, then I'm that nigga you barely reply. Now you gotta deal with being in denial, that you struggle keeping up with a track of events. If you had another chance, you take it again, right? By the time a younger sounds, you know I'm the boss. I gotta answer all my calls and answer to me. Way before we even knew we could pose on the gram. Even love stories barely stayed up for 24 hours. Study all damn season to prove I'm the guy. Or to end up seeing that I wasn't ready for trials. I was cold in the face if I was broke anyway. If I had a problem, damn it, I'd smoke it away. I swear I never started weed at appropriate age. You never heard nobody saying that holy's a saint. What happens now, follow my records are played. What happens now, follow my work is erased. What happens now, you find out my character's fake. Now it happens now, it's probably prophecy based. You hate the fact you know I'm probably one of the best. You hate the fact I even move like I'm Caspin your vest. Sidebar, they love a nigga, the rivals are less. Holy is a lot of women's type, his typos are besties. Be happy that you're watching a legend alive. Just be happy I didn't open a package of life. I've had to keep in fashion cause fashion is life. So just be happy that my trends have been nationalized. 10 Magz, hey. Look, better mind your speech, correction is for the weak. Better watch your language, corruption is for the Greek. You're trying to politicize your failure in the streets. Please don't confuse conflict, net defeat. Y'all can feed inside the crew, T's and C's apply here. So we've been trapping in private locations out here. This Airbnb life got me feeling kinda nomadic. You know how we workaholics maintain progress out here, I'm from the black side, where it's very easy to just take a man's life. Way to walk around with matches in their pants, we don't kneel to no one out here, we don't back twice. We don't back twice.
Visita subscribe.